Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to blend two videos together in CapCut PC using the mask feature and overlay feature. First, just open the CapCut PC like this and then create a new project. Import the videos that you want to combine. Import the two videos, but the one video, just make it as an overlay like this for example. And then after that, just positions the video. I will repositions my video like this, and I will make it bigger a little bit. And then for the another one, I will make it like this. Okay, like this. And then for the overlay video, just go to max, and then in here just tap on add max, and then in here you can choose the shape that you want, any max shapes that you want, such as split, flame stirrup, circle, star, heart, and many more. In here I want to just choose split, and then I want to make it like this. And then in here, to make the two video blends more naturally, just increase the feather value. Just drag this icon, or you can also adjust the feather on here like this. So it will blend smoothly like this. You can see it. Just adjust it until you get the smooth look that you want. And okay, that's it. That's how you can easily blend two videos together in CapCut using mask and overlay. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.